Tonight I'm going to be prepping the Mark II MX-5 for plasti dipping, which I'm hopefully going to be doing in the morning if the weather is okay. It's all weather dependent, as I'm going to be spraying it in the garden there, as the MX-5 does not fit in here. So the first few things I'm going to be doing is fixing some dents. The main one is this one here, if you can see it, just here, all in here. Someone probably backed into me. Then I want to fix the side skirts as well. They're kind of still coming out on one side. I'm tempted to just throw a rivet in, but I'm afraid that it'll pull the side skirt right in against it and it might crack the fiberglass or something like that. So I'm gonna have to see, I think it's this side here. So yeah, it's that gap in there. I don't have it on the other side, but if I put a rivet in, it might pull all the way in and I can't feel much movement in that. So I might just have to use filler or something just to smooth it in against the car. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do about that. I might have to leave it all together and do it another time. But I'm definitely going to be fixing this dent now, and then any other small pieces around the car. There might be a little bit of sanding, and then I'm going to be washing the car, getting it as clean as possible. I have some wax-free shampoo here. That's what I'm going to be using to wash the car down. If I use anything with wax in it, it's going to just do the opposite of what I want. And then I have some wax and grease remover as well that I'm going to run over the car as well, nice and quick. And then I'll be leaving all the prep, like the masking things up and all that sort of stuff, till tomorrow when I'm spraying the car. So first thing I'm going to go ahead is get a hammer and try pop this out here. I should be able to, if I had the keys I would, I should be able to have access to the inside where I can hopefully just pop it out. I haven't even looked at the inside here to see if I have access to this thing. Let's hope we do. Okay, it is there. So it is in behind the air antenna. Oh yeah, I can feel it. I'll get my torch out here and show you real quick. More music. Okay, see if I can see it. Basically all that big bulge where you can see that little shine on it, where the shine is on it, that is the big bulge coming in this side. So I'm just going to hammer tap that out.
Perfect.
Okay, so now that dent's out, I think next thing I'll do is bring the car out, wash it down with the wax-free shampoo, and then spray it down with the wax and grease remover, get all that off it. The car is completely cleaned down now, so next thing I'll do is go ahead and start taking out the side reflectors, 2 on the rear, 2 on the front, and I'm going to pop out the side indicators as well. One other thing that I forgot had to be done as well, at the front I'm taking off the front badge and the Mazda logo. I don't really like it on the car since I've had it off. I like the kind of fresh, kind of clean look of the front, so I'm going to go over with some Bondo and just fill in those tiny little holes, I think. And then because I have the retractable license plate holder, there's holes from where the license plate used to be, and a lot of the paint has come off underneath where the license plate used to sit. So I'm gonna have to go over with a bit of Bondo once those are off and I have it in the garage here starting to dry. All of the side indicators and reflectors, all that stuff's off, and after getting off some sort of oily crap that was on the sides. So next thing I'll do is probably just clear out all this crap that's on this side. I'm going to bring the car in as kind of sideways as I can to get as much of the car in. So all of this stuff is just basically going to get thrown over there just to make space. My toolbox, crappy Halfords toolbox, fell forward there 2 days ago and I have refused to touch it. It's in bits. All the drawers kept like sliding out and then eventually it just went flop one day. So all this stuff's going to go over there just to make space literally for the car. so the garage is clear here now. With the wet floor that was already flooded, I decided to just brush it over the rest of the ground, just so the whole floor is prepped for tomorrow. It's going to be spraying the ground with water anyway, so no dust comes up while I'm spraying the car. So last thing I'm going to do now is reverse the car in, and I'm just going to fill in those holes from where the old license plate used to be and where the badges on the rear and the front used to be. And then I'm going to be finished, and then hopefully all going to plan. The weather is okay-ish in the morning. It's 11 o'clock now at night, so hopefully I'm going to be starting this at about 7 in the morning. Hopefully the car is dry enough as well. I'm going to have a little fan here on a heater blowing out the car, and then I have the Autoglym drying towel, which I'll try as well, just have it as dry as possible. So I'm going to bring it in now, do this, and then I'm done. That's all the Plastidip prep done. The car is clean. I have the Bondo filling in all the holes, got that dint out, and the garage is ready now to spray the car in the morning. The ground's all wet, so once I come back in the morning, basically, actually no, I'm going to have to mask up the windows, mirrors and lights, but that should only take about half an hour, and then I can get spraying, and hopefully it doesn't take me too long and I get it all done. So that's it for this video. Hope you are looking forward to the next video as much as I am. And this car is going to get sprayed. It's going to look so sweet with the new colour. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.